Good morning students. Today we will study what are aromatic hydrocarbons. So today we are starting with unit 4 and it is first topic is what are aromatic hydrocarbons, introduction and its nomenclature. What are aromatic hydrocarbons or amines? Benzene and compounds resembling benzene in chemical behavior are known as aromatic hydrocarbons. So benzene and benzene like compounds and resembling the benzene structure and studying about the chemical behavior are known as aromatic hydrocarbons. So benzene is one of the example of aromatic hydrocarbons. Aromatic hydrocarbons example. So it is benzene ring, phenolic group. This allyl group is attached and this is known as eugenol. Benzene group. This is CH double bond CH2 CHO. This is cinnamaldehyde or cinnamon. Then winter ring, methyl salicylate, benzene ring, OH and CH3 C double bond OH is known as methyl salicylate. Then 2-phenyl ethanol. So this is a phenyl group and this is the ethanol. So 2-phenyl ethanol. So these are the examples of aromatic hydrocarbons. So here benzene, if one ring is there benzene, if two rings are attached to each other that is naphthalene. If three rings are attached anthracene, there are also three rings but they are in angular position that is known as phenanthrene. These are the examples of aromatic hydrocarbons. When two substrates are present, their positions are indicated by prefix ortho, meta and para. Abbreviated means in short form we will start for ortho O, for meta M and for para P, or by the use of number. So if it is side by side, then it is ortho 1,2-dichlorobenzene, or it is also known as ortho-dichlorobenzene. Position 1 and 3, 1-bromo 3-chlorobenzene, or if it is alternate, then it is known as meta-bromo chlorobenzene. In the meta position, bromine and chlorine is there, so meta-bromo chlorobenzene. Here also this also meta-dichlorobenzene. Both are chlorine atoms. 1,3-dichlorobenzene. This is meta, means it is alternate position. So here 1-fluoro-2-nitrobenzene. Side by side is there, so it is ortho groups. So in one position fluorine and in two position nitro group. So 1-fluoro-2-nitrobenzene. Ortho-fluoro-nitrobenzene. Next it is para position. If there are between two gap is there of carbon, then it is para position. 1,4-dichlorobenzene. In position 1 and 4, two chlorine atoms are there, and so it is known as para-dichlorobenzene. Here this also para, between there are two carbon atoms, 1-4 position. So 1 position ethyl group and 4 position nitrobenzene. So it is para-ethyl nitrobenzene. This is para position. So 1-2 is ortho, 1-3 is meta and 1-4 is para position. The dimethyl benzenes are often called as xylenes. If two methyl groups are attached, then they are known as xylenes. If they are in ortho position, then ortho-xylene. If they are in meta position, meta-xylene, and if it is para position, it is para-xylene. Then aromatic nucleus and side chain. The basic carbon skeleton of the benzene ring is called as aromatic nucleus. This is the basic benzene nucleus is the basic structure. This is known as aromatic nucleus. An alkyl group attached to the aromatic ring by the replacement of a hydrogen atom is called side chain. So one of the hydrogen atom is removed here and the replaced CH3 group is attached. So this is the side chain and this is the aromatic nucleus, and this is the, if hydrogen is removed and in that place another group is attached, then it is known as side chain, and this is aromatic nucleus and this is side chain. Then molecular orbital diagram of benzene. So benzene is sp2 hybridized, and we know that in sp2 hybridization 3 hybrid orbitals are formed. So at each carbon there are 3 hybrid orbitals. So formula is C6H6O C3 4 5 6. 6 carbons are there, and each carbon there are 3 hybrid orbitals. Because it is sp2 hybridized, there are 3 hybrid orbitals which are studied in unit 1. So each carbon is having 3 hybrid orbitals because it is sp2 hybridized, and the skeleton will become in this way. And these are all sigma bonds, C dash C sigma bond. These are all sigma bonds, C dash C, C dash C. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sigma bonds. All sigma bonds 3 C by C and 3 C dash H bonds are in one plane. These all are in one plane. So C dash C and C dash H, these are all sigma bonds are formed by. This is the shown molecular orbital diagram of benzene. This is the overlapping form, and after overlapping, this is the skeleton of the benzene formed by the overlapping of hybrid orbitals and hydrogen atom. This type of structure is formed. So this is the lateral overlap. So PZ orbitals are unhybridized, and so these PZ orbitals, they overlap to form the pi bonds. Lateral overlap of p orbitals gives rise to pi bond. Alternate double bonds are formed in benzene. So the C dash C and C dash H bond length in benzene molecule is 1.39 angstrom and C dash H bond is 1.09 angstrom. The bond energy of C dash H bond is 102 kilocalories per mole. The pi electron density is present and spread over complete molecule in the form of electron cloud. So this is the electron cloud above the plane and below the plane. This is the delocalized pi electron of benzene molecule. So this PZ orbitals, which is unhybridized, are overlapping to form a pi cloud above and below the plane of the benzene ring. So here we are according to molecular orbital theory, each carbon in benzene will undergo sp2 hybrid, which we have studied here. We are writing here in words. These three sp2 hybrid orbitals orient themselves in one plane. Each carbon is joined to two other carbon atoms and one hydrogen atom. The sp2 hybrid orbitals of carbon are used for the formation of sigma bonds. So all the sigma bonds is formed by the overlap of sp2 hybrid orbitals. As the sp2 hybridized orbitals are planar, all the carbon and hydrogen atoms forming in benzene nucleus lie in one plane, because in sp2 hybridization the molecule is planar. So all the carbon and hydrogens are in one plane. Thank you.